All right. We have 15 motors. 15 motors. They were for, I think, it was for the flip face remote control Thomas. The flip face remote control Thomas came with the circuit board untested. I have no clue about this, but they are all the components are inside. So if you are needing, I mean, you can also use the motors, the gears located inside this thing, the cogs are useful for a spare part or repair. Even the wires, you can use some of these wires to connect, like a Gordon, James, or Henry. You can use some of these wires for those models. If interested, like I say, link in the description. Yeah, I have more to post.